Find features that distinguish it from other brands for ALCPOK Gaming Desktop PC, and why you should choose, because it consists of the following features. Ultimate gaming performance. Experience the power of the ALCPOK Gaming Desktop PC, featuring the AMD Ryzen 7 5700G processor and 16GB DDR4 RAM. Designed specifically for gamers seeking unmatched speed and performance in their gaming sessions. Massive storage capacity. With a 1TB M.2 SSD, this gaming PC desktop offers ample space for all your favorite games, software, and media, allowing for quick load times and seamless multitasking without the need for constant upgrades. Integrated graphics and RGB fans. Enjoy stunning visuals with integrated graphics, while the RGB fans not only keep your system cool but also add a vibrant aesthetic to your gaming setup, making it the perfect choice for gamers who want style and functionality. Versatile usage. This pre-built gaming PC is not just for gaming. It serves as an excellent desktop for office and educational purposes as well, making it a perfect bundle for those who need a powerful computer for both work and play. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.